Duqm, the area of promising investment opportunities. Oman has been a center of international maritime routes and has always been considered as one of the most important commercial centers for travel and trade coming from Asia, Africa, and Europe. Many of the Western and Arab travelers have acknowledged the economic potential and strategic importance of Omani ports for international trade. The government has decided to revive Oman's cultural and historical heritage by establishing a number of modern and developed ports along the Omani seacoast. Accordingly, His Majesty Sultan Qaboos bin Said issued a royal decree number 119/2011 establishing the Special Economic Zone Authority at Duqm, Sazad. Duqm is unique because of its unique location in the Sultanate of Oman, as it is bordered on the east by the Indian Ocean and by golden sands and desert oases on the west. Its geographic location on the maritime corridor, connecting Asia and Africa, earned it a large degree of international importance. It is truly the pearl of the Arabian Sea. Duqm Special Economic Zone is a model of economic integration and comprises 8 areas: a multi-purpose port, a fishery harbor equipped with all the required facilities, a regional airport, a tourism zone, a governmental services zone, a modern residential zone, dry dock complex, and an industrial and logistics zone. All zones are connected by a multimodal transportation system. Duqm Special Economic Zone is considered the largest free zone in the Middle East and North Africa, covering a land area of 1,745 square kilometers and a coastline stretching 70 kilometers along the Arabian Sea. Port of Duqm. The port is located on a dry land area of 47.4 square kilometers and on a water surface of 140.5 square kilometers. It includes an access channel to the port's dock that is 9.5 kilometers in length, between 275 and 350 meters in width, and 19 meters in depth. It also includes a main wave breaker that extends for 4.1 kilometers long, supporting a commercial quay of 2.25 kilometers long and 350 meters wide. It also includes 4 terminals for handling containers, dry bulks, and general cargo. The main wave breaker is 18 meters deep, and a secondary wave breaker is 4.6 kilometers long and 18 meters deep, supporting an oil and liquid substances quay. In addition, there is an internal governmental dock that is 10 meters deep, 980 meters long, and 200 meters wide, serving ships and yachts of security agencies. Dry dock. Oman Dry Dock Company is one of the projects carried out by the government of the Sultanate of Oman as part of its future forward-looking long-term economic plan. The dry dock project is distinguished by its capacity to accommodate, on average, of 200 ships per year from all over the world. The dock has been working with full capacity since its inauguration in 2011. The dry dock project includes quays of 2,800 meters long and repair yards that encompass an area of 453,000 square meters. It also includes 2 dry docks of 410 meters long each, 95 and 80 meters wide, 10 meters deep, and 14 meters high. The project will not be limited to ship repair and maintenance, as it will also include other activities such as large steel structures and offshore platforms. Since its pilot launch for the dock services from April 2011 until today, Oman Dry Dock Company has maintained and serviced more than 300 vessels from different countries across the world. Duqm Airport. This airport started its operations in 2014 and is considered one of the most important links connecting Duqm Special Economic Zone with the outside world, with the purpose of transporting people and shipping cargo. The airport includes a runway designed to serve all types and sizes of aircraft, a passengers terminal with a capacity for 500,000 travelers per year, waiting areas, and 2 boarding gates. Transportation network. The economic development in Duqm will benefit from a newly designed railroad network, which is expected to come into operation in the next few years. It is designed to have 2 transport tracks, an internal track that connects the economic zone linking the port with the industrial zones, and another to transport cargo and passengers from the town of Duqm to Sohar Muscat. Then with the UAE and the rest of the GCC countries. Duqm Transportation System has one of the most modern of transport networks. A high-standard network has been planned to accommodate all forms of the actual needs of Duqm Economic Zone. It includes a 2-way street with 3 lanes in each direction. Tourism Zone. Duqm region is characterized by its sunny, moderate temperature all year round, and for its varied and beautiful natural and geological heritage. There are beaches with natural purity, unique geological formations, and fishing villages with their own cultural peculiarities. The tourism area encompasses 24 square kilometers, including 18 kilometers of beach on the pristine Arabian Sea. Recently, a number of tourist projects have been completed. Industrial zones. 3 industrial zones have been set up consisting of light, medium, and heavy industrial zones, all of which have been designed according to environmental design standards. Duqm is abundant with commercial quantities of mineral resources, including silica sands, mineral salts, limestone rocks, marble, gypsum, and basaltic rocks. Duqm, a special economic zone built with green credentials. Duqm envisages deploying renewable energy sources for its energy needs. This will be achieved by applying research into alternative energies and sustainable technologies to harness clean and green energy resources suitable for Duqm. Fishery harbor and associated facilities. This contains a fishing port equipped with all the services for small and medium-sized boats, as well as commercial markets for retail, wholesale and export, fish and shrimp farms, and a maritime research and studies institute. Duqm Special Economic Zone Authority. By establishing a one-stop system, Duqm Special Economic Zone Authority aims to take the necessary actions and measures to facilitate the issuance of required permits, licenses, and approvals for projects in the shortest time possible. The authority offers a complete package of incentives and facilities to investors through the one-stop shop to speed up and simplify the procedures and the issuance of permits. These are up to 30 years tax exemption from the start date of establishing the business, renewed for similar periods. Up to 100% of project foreign ownership. Exemption from minimum capital requirements stipulated in the Commercial Companies Law and other laws. Exemption from any restrictions in terms of bringing, exchanging, and transferring foreign currency. Exemptions from commercial agency law provisions. Duqm Economic Zone in Oman is the gate of success for integrated economic projects. It is an international option for an economic link between Asia and international ports and for a variety of investment opportunities.